Today we will check out the if and endif preprocessor directives and how you can use them in your next project. First of all, preprocessor directives are things that get processed before the actual compilation by the preprocessor. In the case of #if and #endif, you can mark code so that it gets included in the compilation based on certain conditions. So let's look at an example. Let's say we have this log statement which we would like to include only when working inside the editor. For that we can wrap it between #if and #endif. To check if we are compiling for the editor, we can add the option with editor after the if. And then this code will only run when we run the project through the editor, but not in the shipping build of the game. So you can see that this is very useful to implement functionality that only impacts interaction when working in the editor. One other use case can be found when you override the post-edit_change property function. This function can execute functionality when the state of property on your blueprints gets changed. And there are also many other options like the with editor one that you can use in similar ways. For example, you can use the UE build debug, UE build development or UE build shipping options to ensure that certain code will only be executed in specific versions of the build. Additionally, you can also execute code based on certain platforms through using platform Windows, platform Mac, platform Android, and many more. Because sometimes there might be an edge case in which you have to execute some code only for a specific platform. And obviously, you can also create your own options for more individual use cases. And if you are interested to see how you can do that, just let me know it in the comments. But for now, you should know how you can use the preprocessor directives if and endif and what happens if you put some code in between them. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.